Wireless CarPlay Android Auto for Mercedes NTG 4.5 Becker, W177 Mercedes-Benz, W204 Apple CarPlay. CarPlay Android Auto product adapted to Mercedes-Benz to support the original knob control, allowing you to use your phone with minimal interference while driving in the car, making your driving process smarter and safer. Keep the original functions in use. Support original car knob control and original car steering wheel button control, making your operation more convenient and driving safer. 1. Support original camera and parking sensors. 2. Support steering wheel control. 3. Support IDRV knob control. Unlock new skills for your car. CARABC launches a CarPlay Android Auto product adapted to Mercedes-Benz to support the original knob control, allowing you to use your phone with minimal interference while driving in the car, making your driving process smarter and safer. CarPlay features connects to your phone via Bluetooth without the need for a USB cable, easy access to full CarPlay features such as voice control, making calls, playing sounds, map navigation, messaging and audio apps and more. Android Auto. This CarPlay supports the applicable apps for Android OS. No need to worry about your phone model not enjoying the full CarPlay function. Wired and wireless CarPlay. Wired and wireless Android Auto. Screen mirroring function. Apple, Android. USB multimedia playback supports lossless audio, 720p video and picture playback. Support original car's rear viewing camera, after-sale rear viewing camera, CVBS HD. Front viewing camera can be set up, or DVR. Support to expand and after-sale 360 panorama, CVBS HD. Support audio EQ adjustment, music and navigation volume button adjustment separately. Support the original car mic, reserved installation mic, and support the automatic dot correction function of calling for the calling cord. Support the original Bluetooth call function. Support ON function, which can expand digital TV.
放歌曲听一下。没有，现在没有音乐，我操。挂个倒车。下单。